What's up traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase with the ticker symbol COIN. The last time I looked at this company was back on July 30th. This was a viewer's request, so thank you for your donation. Please read the description below if you'd like to see the services I provide. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who already subscribe and like my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I've seen in the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we will take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So just looking on the daily chart, I would say we're pretty much range bound. It's not really trending any particular direction. It's just pretty much going sideways, and these are the range lows and highs that I see Coinbase inside of. So these are the lows right here around that 211 level, and these are the highs right at that 280 level. So right now, since we just bounced off the top of the range, where can we go? The location that most likely prices want to reach are the bottom of the range. So that's my target for Coinbase, around that 211, 214 level. So another target that I see Coinbase could reach first is this measured move right here. So this was the first leg down, and then there was a two-legged correction. As you can see here, prices went up and then went down and then up again. So that's a correction, and then it got rejected at the highs of the range, and then we sold off. So the target that I see Coinbase looking to reach is that 227 level. And if it reaches that and it exceeds it, the next stop is that 212 level right at the bottom of the range. If I just move the measured move over to the side and make a channel for this micro pattern right here, see all these price bars inside of it. So that's pretty much a downtrend right here. So we're going down. We just pushed through the EMA and found resistance, and we continue lower. Would I take a trade right here? Probably not, just because we're at the middle of the range. You normally want to sell the highs and buy the lows. So in the middle is where you get chopped up to pieces. So it would be tough to take a trade right here, because we could just go sideways and reverse back up to the upside. But right now it looks like we are going to make that second leg down and potentially reach the bottom of the range. There was this uptrend right here in play. However, I don't see it in play any longer, just because prices could not reach the upper side of this channel right here. Let me adjust this a little better. So prices could not reach this upper side of the channel. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So this was the upper side of the channel, and prices stopped right at the range highs. So that means the prices are following a different pattern, which is this range. So that's why I don't see this uptrend in play any longer. So we're probably going to continue lower. I do see the previous downtrend right here that we still did not make a new low of. So I still expect prices to make that new low around that 200 level or the 206 level. Prices tried a few times and it failed. That's why we got that reversal. So that was the first attempt, and this was the second attempt to stop out the person who went long right here. Their stop loss is right below that 206 level. So prices tried a few times, and if it fails, it's most likely to do the opposite, and that's what happened. We got a reversal in the opposite direction. However, the reversal did not last long, and it looks like we're going to attempt it again. So this is my target first for Coinbase, right at that 224 level, 225 level, or even the 230 level first, before we go down to the bottom of the range right at this 212 or 215 level. And eventually I still expect prices to break down and make a new low right at that 205 level or even the $200 level. So that's pretty much my analysis for Coinbase. Right now we're inside of a very thin channel, downtrend channel. As you can see here, there's several price bars inside of it. So we could continue lower inside of it, doing something like this until we meet that measured move and the bottom of the range. So even if we do get a break outside of this channel, I still expect a retest of the lows of the move. So I still expect lower prices to come for Coinbase. It could reverse at any time, but as of right now, what the price is telling me is that we can continue lower. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the weekly chart now. So since Coinbase is a recent IPO, there's not a lot of price bars on the weekly chart. So these were the range right here. This was the range right here. And then look what happened. So these were the range lows, these were the range highs. And then if prices break outside of a range, it usually makes a measured move outside of it, and measured move is the size of the range. So this was the size of the range. If I just drag it up to the top of it, that's pretty much right where prices went. Just went past it just a little bit, but that's expected. And now since we're in a bit bigger range, I'm just going to drag this up, and that fits better. So we're right in the middle of it, but since we came off the top, I expect us to continue to the lows unless we get some choppiness right here, or prices try multiple times to go lower but it fails. Then we'll probably continue trend higher. But as of right now, it looks like we just came off the top, made pretty much a double top. So you can see here prices went up and then down and then up again and then down. So that's pretty much like an M formation or a double top. See, prices try to go up twice and it failed, so most likely we do the opposite. So probably can continue lower, put at the bottom of this range, and potentially even break it right around this 205 level or even 200 level. But that's probably later on, later this year, if prices continue lower. But in the coming days and coming weeks, I still expect us to reach that measured move as I showed you on the daily chart. And if it exceeds that, we're probably headed to the lower side of the range. And if it breaks the side lower side of the channel, we're probably going to stop this person out right here, who has a stop loss right here, right around this 206, 205 level. Let's just say we don't go lower, then where can we go? We're going to go back up to the top of the range, most likely right around the 280 level. But as of right now, it looks like we're going to continue lower, and if anything changes, I'll give you guys an update. So thank you for supporting the channel, viewer, and I appreciate your donation. If you have any more questions and in this video did not answer it, please leave it in the comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer it very quickly. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver good content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.